Hey there, guys and gals. I got a special thing for you today, and it's these. I'm gonna hold one up. I have a blue one and a clear one of these. These are 22 round magazines. As you can tell from over here, they are not what you would normally get through Nerf or X Shot or anything like that. I ordered them generic from China. They took forever to get here, like 2 months. Um, and I don't really have that many blasters that take magazines. So as you can see over there, I've got two blasters that do take magazines. We're going to mess with these. I could also grab my Eradicator, but I did not. I'm work with the Sling Fire and the Stormtrooper Blaster, the first order Stormtrooper Blaster. I'm sure there was an older one way back when. But we just want to see what these two are all about. I want to make sure they work, and I want to show you guys that you can fire out of them. And I'm going to mix and match the darts in them. I'm not going to do a full 22 round mag and then fire it. I'm also not going to, there's no point in me showing you how accurate they are, because it's more the gun's internal magazines that are, for the most part, determining where the darts are going, not necessarily these. We just want to make sure that these feed. So I will be loading them up and I will show you what they are. I would say we do an unboxing, but essentially the unboxing is now done. They are actually sturdier than I was expecting. You can hear the springs a little bit, but I feel like the plastic is actually a little bit thicker than it is on the Nerf magazines, which is kind of nice. There are more colors for these, but I chose these two. There's also a black one, but I feel like getting a black banana magazine like this is, it could definitely be taken the wrong way. Like, you can tell that this is a toy, and you can definitely tell that this is a toy because you'll be able to see the darts in it. So I'm going to load these up, and I will make sure that they work in each of these guns. As you can see, both of them are now filled to the brim, 22 darts each of varying types. I'm just gonna grab the blue one, stick it in here. I don't know if I showed you guys before, but it does say which direction to put them in. I was a little worried that it wouldn't, but it does say which direction. Just like it's there. How about this one? Snap. This one's gonna look way more ridiculous though. Like, it's in. Look how long this is. You could like take people out with this as a melee weapon. Look the way it's balanced. That's amazing. But here, we're gonna try this. I'm just gonna see if I can fire out the 22 rounds. Didn't have any stops or anything. That's good. That's better than I expected, to be perfectly honest with you. A little annoying to get out because of the way it's shaped, but can't fault it for everything. All right, let's see how it works in one of these. This one is clearly much easier to see. I'm gonna fire now. Here we go. Now, This is a problem on my part because I didn't read the note I left for myself. No waffle darts, please. So what did I do? I put waffle darts in the magazine, and for a while it was okay, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, the last dart is actually an extra dart, and it is jammed in there now because there were too many waffle darts. I could tell it was getting stuck when I had waffle darts. Oh, this dart is also just messed up. Bang! But yeah, if I didn't have waffle darts in there, it would have fired just fine. It's good to actually read the notes you leave for yourself before you start doing stuff like this. But clearly I haven't been firing these very long. I was a little worried about their construction initially, but it seems like they're okay. I will let you know how well it goes after the first Nerf war though. That's where I should start being worried about their construction level, huh? But yeah, if you guys are looking for these, I will leave a link in the description below. I purchased them on eBay, but there are sellers, that aren't on eBay that pretty much sell the same thing as these. I just thought they were super cool. You can get them in a bunch of different colors. The link that I will leave will be my eBay affiliate link. So if you guys purchase from that, you don't pay anything extra, but you do give me a little bit of a cut of the sale, which is nice. So if you'd like to help me out that way, you totally can. I'm not going to say no. But yeah, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, what's up? And I'll see you guys and gals later in the next one. Until then, go have fun with your bananas. I know I'm going to have fun with mine. That sounds way more wrong than I was expecting it to.